Welcome everyone. The iPadOS 16 has a updated Files app. The first thing new is when you go to the home page of the Files app, you're going to see this little icon here next to the Create New Folder. And when you tap on this one, we now have the list view and the columns view. So the default icon view just shows the icons of each app. Very simple. But some people do like it in a list. So if you select list, it's going to start from A to Z, okay, and show all of your apps. You can filter by category, name, etc. I'll show how to do that in a bit. But we also have the column view. So you start at the home page. If I were to tap on a folder here, tap on another folder, you can see how that works. It's going to have this slide out view like so, and it will also show each folder, what list of files and folders are available. On top of this, you can filter by name, kind, date, size, and tags. So you're going to notice right now it's filtering name A to Z. But what if I want to flip it? Okay, so this doesn't just apply to the name. So if we go from A to Z to A, or most recently open to oldest open. Okay, so to change this, you see where the arrow is. Just tap on the arrow, and now we're going from Z to A, and now we're going from A to Z. On top of this, we do have the view options. So I'm going to go to an area with content, so the home page here. And if you select the view options, you can actually group all of your files and folders by the date, size, shared by, etc. So I'm going to group by the file size, and you can see the grouping just like this. If we go back in here, if you want to show the file extensions for all files, you can see this MP4 file or MOV file doesn't have the extension. If I select show all extensions, you can show the extension. So if I just click once, maybe I want to change that extension, I can now change that one, no problem. On top of this, if I go back and then I go and find a folder such as the downloads, there is also an arrow here. And if you tap on get information, you can see all of the information for the folder. And this drop down arrow does have a bunch of other options for the folder as well. Finally, if you're playing with external storage and you're doing a data transfer, you will see the transfer progress. In the past, it was like, I'm transferring, just wait for me, and hopefully the transfer isn't corrupted, because it's not going to tell you. And now you can actually see the transfer progress if you're transferring media from your iPad to an external SSD, which I want to do video editing in the past, it was impossible. Maybe I'll try again. I do like the progress is now showing up. I saw some videos make a documentary on this. This is not really something that needs a 20-minute video. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.